Hello everyone, in this simple video I'm going to show you how you can add a call to action in CapCut apps. For example, I will create a CTA to subscribe and share. So all we have to do is enter the subscribe and share button, stickers. So just click sticker, you can select text and select stickers. Just looking for the subscribe and share button. So here's check mark, and you can adjust for the position and size. So make it the distance. Alright, and after done, you can add the music or I think the sound effect. Just click audio and select effect, and you can select transition, and then just looking for the jig pop, download it and just click add, and you can adjust for the position, put it on the same timeline as the sticker. Alright, and put the audio gain, copy paste, just copy paste. Alright, so you can see for the final result. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.